Nobody coach Paratiam, Belkala fans. Tina said, only the coach, Barusot Passos again. What we had 3 seasons. What's how many profile like it right ones? Wow. It's not a said
it. One, yeah?
Yes. I don't know who blocked each other's numbers. I don't know if Polokwane did not answer or Chiefs didn't. So, yes, again, I will say it again. Chiefs tried. They tried. And again, we're not involved in those things. Club to club, we don't get involved. That's between the club. So if I speak to you, if you club A and I club B, if you don't want to sell to me,
there's nothing the agent can do.
I can do nothing about it.
Napolis making that spectacular move to Orlando Pirates despite Kaizer Chiefs making a bigger offer. So guys, it's just a matter of club to club agreeing ilokhuzana. Polokwane City bengafuni ukuthengisela Kaizer Chiefs, befuna ukuthengisela Orlando Pirates. That's all she wrote. Iphelela lapha indaba yaka Oswin Apollos. Welcome to Diski Diary, guys. Sizokhuluma ngo Jose Rivero coming to South Africa, being linked with Mamelodi Sundowns, being linked with Kaizer Chiefs upon his arrival next week. But don't go anywhere. I will reveal to you exactly why Jose Rivero is coming to South Africa. So stay around, don't go anywhere. We will also talk about Joel Fire Masilela, directing some very harsh words. I don't know whether to call them harsh or I don't know whether to call it criticism. But yeah, I will reveal Ugutu Joel Fire Masilela Utin Hugo Bros. And then also why TDL versus Khoza. Yini inkinga yaka TDL ulwelani kangaka no Khoza. What is the beef between TDL of Black Leopards and Orlando Pirates' Ivan Khoza? We will talk about all those things. Remember to give the show a like. Remember to subscribe. Jabu Mahlangu was at Naturena saying Uguti Kaizer Motaung has been like a father figure to him. Kaizer Motaung has been a father figure to most of the players. That's why in Nibona Lapayani Kaizer Chiefs. Ex-Kaizer Chiefs players or the so-called legends playing friendly games. Kaizer Chiefs giving back to their former players in one way or another. So yeah, Jabupule, he was at Naturena to show gratitude to Kaizer Motaung, saying that he will forever be grateful to Kaizer Motaung, especially when it was the time abuser substances. So yeah, guys, siyazi ukuthi uJabupule beka-drug addict and beka-abuser alcohol, and Kaizer Motaung gave him a few words of wisdom. And yeah, Jabupule is now a brand on his own, Nama Community Upliftment Services. He is also a TV pundit, Kaizer Chiefs legend as well. So yeah, you never forget where you come from. That is Jabupule Mahlangu. Neo Buhleko, Kaizer Chiefs development forward is attracting interest from overseas. The boy has scored a staggering amount of goals this season, emulating umfana omunye laphayana abambiza ngoTshepo Mosana. Tshepo Mosana this season wakuma under 15. He has scored 61 goals already this season, and he scored 7 goals in one match. So those are the two standout strikers. Tshepo Mosana, watch out for him at Kaizer Chiefs under 15. I already told you Guti it's coachwa umfana Jessica Lapayana. I'm under 15. He is the assistant coach there. Lapayana under 15 umfana Jessica. Watch out for their striker Ulokuzana. That is Tshepo Mosana, who has scored 61 goals this season. And Nyobo Shoko's agent says his client Ufunwa Ama team Lapayana overseas is attracting interest. While at Kaizer Chiefs development, to Emil Vetboy Ubabake Ushilo Lapayan, Bradley Ralana, which he once offered the boy to Kaizer Chiefs. Nimbonile, Emil Vetboy is doing well Lapayana go under 17 World Cup. He says that 3 seasons ago, uyawamhambisa laphayana naturena ku-Kaizer Chiefs. However, Kaizer Chiefs said he was too skinny for their liking, although they did say he is a good player, but they thought he was too small. Okay, guys, that is just football. Let's just be happy for the young man. Cape Town City, yamthola, is another man's food. Fana naye uMbokazi, bamusa laphayana kuNaCherena, Kaizer Chiefs azange mthole. So not all the players will be taken by Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, we need to get over that. It happens in football. Maningi ama-player bawayisa ku-Orlando Pirates. Maningi ama-player bawa-ofara iMamelodi Sundowns, but they end up in other clubs. We've seen it. It's the nature of football. Not everyone will be taken by Kaizer Chiefs. So that is also the story with Emil Vetboy currently making waves laphayana ku-under 17 World Cup. Fans on Bro's favoritism, nimzwile laphayana uJoel Fire Masilela. He has got some very strong words for Hugo Bros on the lodge of Ngaketi, Thembinkosi Lodge, and nimzwile Hugo Bros saying that Lodge is too old. So yeah, guys, I'll just read what Joel Fire Masilela had to say about this. He says, "This is so sad, but I'm not surprised that Bros is naming his own squad and ignoring some players who are performing well at their clubs, choosing others who are performing less well because of age. You should not be selected for the national team because of your club or because of your age." Says he is building for the future, but his contract demands immediate results. Lodge, he says that Lodge is old, but he is clinging on to an older Themba Zwane, who he also said he was old at one stage. So yeah, Ushonjalo Olokhuzane goes on to say, Ronaldo and Messi are playing in World Cups despite their age. You judge a player by their performance at their club. You judge a player by their form and performance, not their age. That is Joel Fire Masilela on Hugo Bros. You heard that press conference at Hugo Bros. Angeke amthathe uLodge sekamdala. So uyasho ukuthi uMasilela usho kanjani ukuthi uLodge mdala, washo the same thing ngoThemba Zwane. However, he gave Themba Zwane a chance, and now Themba Zwane is he is a regular at Bafana Bafana, and Hugo Bros is hoping to take him to the AFCON despite his injury woes. So yakhala laphayana Joel Masilela. Drop your thoughts on comments. Ngicabanga ukuthi uqinisile uThemba Masilela. Is he being biased? If it applies for Themba Zwane, then the very same principle should apply to Thembinkosi Lodge. That is what the legend, the Sundowns legend, is saying. So drop your thoughts on comments. Ngicabanga ukuthi uqinisile laphayana uJoel Fire Masilela, sikhulumeni ngayo leyo ndaba leyo comment section below. Right, and then bathi laphayana Keletso Magalwa, Masindi Mtamajela, and babonile laphayana those players baphumba laphayana ku Bafana Bafana on camp for the Zambia game. Nemtajela uthi yena uphuma from Emahlobo. I don't know whether niyayazi Emahlobo. Those of you who are listening from Soweto, you will know what Emahlobo games is. From Nemtajela, he went from Mahlobo to NFT, to the PSL, to Orlando Pirates, to Bafana Bafana. I beg to differ because I think he was already being selected for Bafana Bafana once before Imsana Orlando Pirates. So it's from Bafana to Pirates, I would rather say that. And then for Keletso, his journey is from Mamelodi Sundowns to the Motsepe Foundation, to the NFT, to Sekhukhune, to Bafana Bafana. That is Keletso being wanted by Kaizer Chiefs. I will keep you posted on that interest. Kaizer Chiefs interested in the PSL's King of Assists from last season, Keletso Mogalwa. Etukralon Chiefs CAF Champions League hopes to Umushin Etukral. He believes Kaiser Chiefs can go very far and go beyond the group stages. Lapango Kaiser Chiefs, they just need to convert their ball position dominance into goals, and they need to move. They don't have to be static when they are defending. So that is Machine Etokral's advice. Ati bangadlali iposition kuphela, mabaye phambili bashaya amanqaku and bangabi static maba defender. That is his advice. Yeah, guys, drop your thoughts on comments regarding Hugo Bros nendaba yakaloch nimzwile uJoel Fire Masilela uthini. Jose Rivero, guys, this is what Jose Rivero had to say. Asimuzweni.
No, never. Never. Once, always. I will never coach any other team in South Africa. I'm a Buccaneer. Orlando Pirates is the only club that I could, have the motivation and the courage and the energy and the heart in this case to coach in the country, no doubt.
Yeah, guys, that was Jose Rivero, saying that he will never join any other team. As I've promised, I will reveal exactly why he is in the country, Jose Rivero. The reason why he will be flying to South Africa next week, he will be in Sandton and he will be doing a promotion, helping Carling Cup. They have a cup campaign media update, which he is involved in. That is Jose Rivero. You remember, he coached the Carling Cup All-Star team to 2 trophies. That was Rivero, and so he has earned his stripes to come through and help the team. So you'll be seeing a lot of Jose Rivero on television and in radio until Carling Cup, until it happens that Cup, and I'm sure you will see him in the VIP box when the match takes place. That is Jose Rivero. Yeah, I know that the internet is exploding with rumors ukuthi uza Kaizer Chiefs or maybe uza Mamelodi Sundowns, but that is just media speculation. Probably Mabambona Abapati, they will probably approach him. I don't know, Kaizer Chiefs, I doubt Chiefs will approach him because Ben Yosef and Kaze are currently doing a satisfactory job. As for Mamelodi Sundowns, I know that the fans are very disgruntled in an unhappy marriage with Cardoso. Maybe Mamelodi Sundowns, they can approach him, but I think Cardoso has done nothing wrong to be dismissed. He is on top of the log and he is still in the CAF Champions League. So the coach, changing the coach now will not solve anything for either Mamelodi Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs. But guys, media loves speculation. So you can expect the rumors to start flying left, right, and center all over social media as Jose Rivero akala akubabu ukubonakala. So don't rule anything out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. That's all I have for today. Bye-bye.